Hello and welcome everyone. I'm back with yet another recipe, and again this time it is a 2 ingredient recipe. It's really quick and healthy as always. It is corn in meatball, which is very healthy. So let's just get started. You'll be needing corn and meatballs. Heat up your pan, splash in some oil, and one by one you can add your meatballs. You can hear that sizzling sound. It is just when it started, and all you need is a dark brown color, golden brown color, and it will be all good to go. Just keep turning them around so that they don't just burn. Next we'll be adding some sweet corn in the same pan. Now these corn are one of my favorites. They're very chewy and sweet and soft, and one of the best things is they're very quick to cook through. Next we'll add some red onion. You can add pink onion if you feel like, and then just give it a stir so that the onion is well softens down. Keep moving it, and then we'll add some tomato cubes. Add some salt, some dried oregano, and some dried thyme. So these three are actually my go-to seasonings. They always taste good, be it any salad or any other recipe. Give it a stir again, and then add chopped coriander or parsley. I am a big fan of coriander, so I always end up adding more to it. Keep stirring now. By this time everything will be softened down. Tomatoes, the onion, coriander, and the corn itself. So we'll just add the meatballs now so that it all warms up. And you're pretty much done. Now just slide the corn salad to your platter at one side and the meatballs on the other side. Now you can take any other meatballs, whatever you like, be it chicken or turkey or just goat meat or anything. Just add some cucumber slices here on one side, and there you have one fit and filling meal, or a snack you can say. And it hardly took me like a total of 10 or 15 minutes to cook, to prepare. So I hope you liked it. Give it a try. Thank you so much for watching it again.